Hello everybody, so I decided to share this video on my birthday. Today is my birthday and I'm feeling so excited, and I'm sharing with you how to design or how to write in front of your t-shirt when you go take pictures at a studio or you take pictures yourself. For example, this one right over here, like this, and then this one right over here, like that. So either of them, if you have, you can write on this one particularly and then send it over for it to be printed on your sheets, or you can go take the picture like this and then you decide to write in front of them in Photoshop. So I'm going to give you the 2 steps in doing all those things. And then don't forget, today is my birthday, so comment below what you're giving to me on my birthday. So without any further ado, let's jump right into the video. So here we go. If you want to design it on this particular t-shirt, you can grab it from online. I just got this from online. It's very simple. You just have to type in t-shirt samples and then you're going to get a lot of these over there. And if you want to go and take your picture also and then you write in front of it, that is also simple. But I'm going to write specifically on this one and then I'm going to transfer it on the picture that has been taken. Okay, so the first thing that I do, I'm just going to make this very simple. I just pick my text tool and then I go change my color to white. Alright, so basically I'm going to write something in front of this text. Okay, so I'm going to make use of this font called Daniela. The actual one that I use in my thumbnail comes with a font Messenger Pigeons. I'll put all of them in the description so you can check them out. So I'm going to first of all type "it's mine" and then I'm going to resize it by pressing Ctrl T. Try to resize it somewhere very neatly. Now what you have to do, or one thing that you can do to stick to or be on course, is that you use Ctrl A and you select all of it and then you position it right in the middle. So over here it means that everything is just right in the middle. None of them is going to be bigger than the other side. So it's mine, and then practically that's it. So the next one that I'm going to do is I'm going to select my rectangle tool and then try to draw my rectangle right over here. So it's going to be very simple one like this. And then I'm going to select my move tool and then rasterize this layer, and then I'm going to bring in my ruler because I want to cut in a part of this one. So let me zoom in the more so that you get the idea of what I'm doing. So I'm going back to pick the polygonal lasso tool, start right from here, and then I'll cut up to, let's say, this point, and then get back to that point. Okay, so I'm basically creating a shape around that area. When I get to the initial point, I'm going to delete it, and then I have this nice shape over there. Alright, so from here what I'm going to do is I'm going to still select my rectangular marker tool and then cut a portion of this rectangle. Okay, basically like here we do, or let me bring it here and then delete that one. Why I'm doing this is that I don't want to cut the other end because I want to get it to be the same size, right? So I'm just going to duplicate this one and then press Ctrl T to flip it horizontal, and then I'm going to drag this to the other side, so basically like this. So I hold shift and then I select both of them and press Ctrl E to merge them together. So now we have it to be one layer like that. Okay, so let's try and see it's centered. Okay, so the next thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to select my text tool again and then type in a birthday. So the birthday, I prefer to use the font Lakes pattern. It will be in the description, so you check it out. And then I press Ctrl T to resize it and then bring it over here. I'm going to change the font color to black so that you can see it very clearly from there. Anyways, don't ask me in the comment section how old I am because I'm not disclosing that. I'm something years. So next I'm going to do a simple thing by duplicating this, and then we're going to change the font color back to white, and then there we are going to start to type some crazy stuff. So basically and officially I'm accepting these following things. So I'm accepting, let me go this way, and then I press Ctrl T to resize it and make sure it's in the center like that. Okay, So we make a duplicate again by pressing Ctrl J, and then you list up the things that you are accepting. So basically gifts, and then lunches. If you want to come take me out, I'm here, right here, and then dinners. So I'm accepting all of them, and any other thing that you're willing to send me. My PayPal is available, my Payoneer is available, everything is available. If you're in Ghana, mobile money, everything, I'm accepting all of them. So if anything is ready, you just have to send it over. I'm ready to receive them. So that is it basically. Let's try to push this up a little bit, and then let's try to style this up small. So I go to my shapes, and then I go to the costume shape over here. I have a lot of great stuffs here. You can find any of them, but basically I'm going to make use of this one. So I draw this star here, or is it a flower? Yeah, flower. And then I'm going to change the font color from here to that one. Let me go a bit down like this. I think I love this one. So you try to position that also over here, and then back to the shape. We have some more stuffs like this. I used one thing over there. Let me try and go and find it for you guys. Okay, so let me calm down small.
Hey, what happened?
So right over here, and then I'm going to put it beneath all of the other things. So I'm going to make one over here with the same colors that I use for the flower down here, and you can use different ones. Of course, there are many, so you can try any of them. And then I make a duplicate, flip it horizontally, and then I send it over to the other end. Basically that's it. So you can select all of these layers, and then you group them to one thing, like one layer. So that is it, and that is when you can send it over to your images that you've taken yourself. For example, when you bring this over here, you can press Ctrl T to resize it just like this, and then you press Ctrl A to center it, and that is it. So I think this one I would have to shift it to this side to make it more good looking, but let's stick to this one, and that is it. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll be waiting for my gifts in the comment sections and in my PayPal, in my mobile money account, and anywhere. Wish me luck, pray for me, and don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel to keep it moving. Thank you so much for watching. I'll get back to you with another one. So it's Innocent here on a special birthday count. Bye.